Good morning, class 7. So yesterday we have completed with the verbs, tenses, forms, present, past and future. So we are going to start with this today. These 2 pages are left, so today we will going to finish this, and then after that I will send you some practice exercises. Choose the correct verb forms given in the brackets to complete the following sentences. I am hungry. Oh, I will you a sandwich. I am hungry. अब हम इसमें से we will decide which one is the correct form. Oh, I will make you a sandwich. So we will take here. Oh, I will make you a sandwich. She dash fashion studies at NIF next year. She is going to take up. She's going to take up, yes, she will take up fashion studies. This is more suitable. Both are going with this, but this is more suitable. Will take up. Because here we have be plus going form. हमने यहाँ पे बोला था ना, is going to take up. This is also correct. Will take up is also correct. Now here it is will take up where it was. Yes. Where it was simple tense. Will, sit, will carry. So it tells about the habitual characteristic, certainty or instant decision. But here, so I think this will be more suitable. Is going to take. This one is more appropriate than according to the rules. If your hands are paining, I will help you write this letter. I am going to help. No, I will help. Raju and Tia are engaged. They will get married soon. They are going to get engaged. They are going to get married soon. The flight to Dubai will leave at 9 p.m. The flight to Dubai leaves at leaves at ये भी ठीक है. Tarun is meeting his friend tomorrow evening. Tarun is to meet his friend. Both are correct. Tarun is meeting his friend tomorrow evening या Tarun is to meet. ये भी ठीक है. Be form plus to plus verb. This one infinitive form. So this can also be used. Tarun is to meet his friend. I think he will be very successful since he is working. I think he will have been. No. He will be very successful since he is working hard. The family is going to visit their relatives in Myanmar next week. The family will visit their relatives next week. Is going to visit. Because it is telling you something going to happen in future. The family is going to visit their relatives in Myanmar next week. The class doesn't begin at 9. It begins at 10 today. The class won't begin at 9. It is going to begin at 10 today. It begins at won't begin. The class won't begin at 9. It is going to begin. Instant. No, not instant. The class won't begin at 9. The class won't begin at 9. It begins at it is going to begin at 10 today. As soon as she arrives in Punjab, she will give you a call. Look at his angry face. I think he is going to give a piece of his mind to you. Look at his angry face. I think he will give you a piece of mind. He will give a piece of his mind to you. What do you think will win the next MP elections? We are flying, or we will fly to NASA with our students next month. We are flying to NASA. ये भी suitable है. I promise you, I will finish my holiday homework before we leave for Dehradun. I promise you, I will finish my holiday homework before we leave for Dehradun. I am going to convey the message. I will convey the message to the manager when he will call me for the meeting. I will convey the message to the manager when he calls me for the meeting. Rules for making affirmative, negative and interrogative sentences. Now, there are the rules to make the sentences affirmative, negative or interrogative for each future verb form. In simple future, subject will, shall plus verb first form object. ये affirmative हो गया. Negative में बचे won't या shan't लग जाएगा. It's a contraction. ठीक है, won't will का और shan't shall not, will not shall not के ये शॉर्ट फॉर्म्स हैं. not लग जाएगा तो ये नेगेटिव बन जाएगा. अगर इसमें not नहीं है तो दिस इज affirmative. affirmative मीन्स जैसे हम कहते हैं assertive और declarative. interrogative, we will put the verb in the starting. We will start with the verb. Will they study in the campus? I will study in the campus is an affirmative, simple. Yeah, I shall participate in the competition. You won't study in the campus. You shan't participate in the competition. Means you shall not, shan't. This is shall not. This is will not. So, when we make form the interrogative sentences, it will start with the verb. Will they study in the campus? Shall I participate in the competition? So, like this. In future continuous, we know that ing form आती है. Subject will or shall plus be plus verb की ing form and with the object. So, she will be waiting for you, object. They won't be going abroad. Won't, negative. Now here we will start with the verb. Will you be assisting your boss in this project? Yes, shall you be assisting your boss in this project? So we will start with the verb. Future perfect. Subject will, shall, have, verb की third form plus object. I shall have, ठीक है. Written third form. Write, wrote, written third form. My exercise by that time. I shall have written my exercise by that time. This is the object. This is the verb. Same subject shall, will, not, shan't, won't लिख सकते हैं आप. प्लस have third form with object. I shan't, shall not लंबा लगता है ना तो contraction में लिख सकते हैं. I shan't have written my exercise by that time. Now again we will start with the verb. shall I have written my exercise by that time? Shall I have written? So we will start will I have written, या shall यहाँ ज़्यादा सूट कर रहा है, तो we will start with the shall. Future perfect continuous. Subject plus shall, will plus have plus been, verb की fourth form plus object. Fourth form बच्चे वही हो जाती है ing form. So subject, when he gets his degree he will have been studying at Oxford University. Here we have two clauses. आपको समझाया था ना मैंने, two clauses होते हैं इसमें, एक खत्म होता है तो दूसरा स्टार्ट होता है. When he gets his degree means जब उसे डिग्री मिलेगी. He will have been studying at Oxford University, तब वो he will have been studying at Oxford University for 4 years. तो तब उसे डिग्री ऑक्सफोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी में पढ़ते हुए 4 years हो जाएंगे. When he gets his degree. Now again subject shan't won't plus have been. Continuous में जो होता है ना been लग जाता है have के साथ. Perfect में सिर्फ have लगता है, have या had. And जब हम perfect continuous की बात करते हैं तो have been या had been, past में had been. We will not have been studying at the Oxford University for 4 years. Not लग जाएगा. इन्होंने will not लिखा है, आप won't भी लिख सकते हैं. He won't have been studying, right? Again we'll start with the will or shall. Will he have been studying at the Oxford University for 4 years? Will he have been? Okay? तो यहाँ पे हमने यही ध्यान रखना है. सिर्फ कहीं पे हमने वर्ब लगाकर इंटेरोगेटिव फॉर्म बना देनी है, कहीं नॉट लगाकर हमने नेगेटिव फॉर्म लगा देनी है. बट रूल्स में थोड़ा बहुत फ़र्क है. अदरवाइज बस अगर आपको रूल्स याद है कि परफेक्ट में हमारे पास्ट में हैड लगता है, प्रेजेंट और फ्यूचर में विल शैल हैव लगेगा और पास्ट में लगेगा हैड. बाकी सब सेम होते हैं ये रूल्स. ऐसे ही परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस में शैल विल हैव बीन पास्ट में लग जाएगा, ये पास्ट में होते हैं हैड बीन. यहाँ पे आगे शैल विल फ्यूचर टेंस में. यहाँ पे नॉट लगा देंगे तो नेगेटिव बन जाएगा. बाकी सब रूल्स सेम है. और फिर हम जब इंटेरोगेटिव फॉर्म बनाते हैं तो हम वर्ब से स्टार्ट करते हैं. विल ही हैव बीन, वी विल नॉट से ही हैव बीन विल, नो, दैट इज नॉट अ इंटेरोगेटिव फॉर्म. इंटेरोगेटिव फॉर्म हमेशा वर्ब से स्टार्ट होती है. डिड से, डज से, डू से, या फिर यहाँ पे जो भी विल शेल से. आई होप इट इज क्लियर टू यू. सो नाउ वी विल डू सम प्रैक्टिस एक्सरसाइजेस, ओके, ऑफ टेंसेस. यू कंप्लीट अप टिल हियर. ये हमने थर्ड को कंप्लीट कर दिया है. कंप्लीटेड. वी हैव कंप्लीटेड दिस टुडे. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू सम प्रैक्टिस एक्सरसाइजेस. We will do that in notebook. And in this you have to write. मैं आपको बता देती हूँ क्या क्या लिखना है आपने. I think you have written all this. Future tense, simple future का formula, and then example, certainty, habitual characteristics, volition, instant decision. ये आपने छोटा छोटा एक example दे देना. ये सब आपने notebook में लिख लेना. सर्टेनिटी हो तो ये ऐसे एग्जाम्पल, इसका ये वाला एग्जाम्पल, इसका ये वाला एग्जाम्पल और इसका ये वाला एग्जाम्पल. देन वी विल कम टू द फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. वी विल राइट द रूल. ये सब नोटबुक में लिखने जो मैं टिक कर रहे हैं. देन रेफर टू द सिचुएशन एंड वन एग्जाम्पल. ठीक है, जो जो मैंने टिक किए हैं वो आपने कॉपी में लिखना है. और नोटबुक्स आपको स्कूल में सबमिट करानी है बच्चे चेकिंग के लिए. ऑनलाइन तो मैं सिर्फ ये देख लूँ दैट वेदर यू आर कंप्लीटिंग योर वर्क और नॉट. सो आई विल गिव यू 1 day, सो यू पीपल हैव टू सबमिट योर नोटबुक्स देयर एट द स्कूल रिसेप्शन फॉर चेकिंग. फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स विद करेक्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब्स. देन नो, यू डोंट हैव टू डू दिस इन नोटबुक. देन यू विल कम टू दिस फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस. यू विल गिव द रूल. Then you will give the condition, this one and this one, ठीक है, and you will give one example of each. And the other verb forms used in expressing the future, ये भी आप लिखेंगे. You will write this also in the notebook. जो भी मैं पेंसिल से टिक कर रही हूँ आपने कॉपी में लिखना है. एक दो एग्जाम्पल दे दीजिए इसके. Then प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट फॉर्म, इधर आ जाइए, ये भी लिखेंगे आप, ये भी लिखेंगे और इसका ये एग्जाम्पल भी देंगे, ये वाला. दिस यू विल गिव दिस एग्जाम्पल, you will write this also and you will write one example. Clear? I think you people have made this table already made, so no need to make the table again, just do the writing part of the tenses. Class 7th, whatever I am telling you, I want to see that in your notebooks. Whatever I am instructing you, you have to do in that way only. I don't want कि मैम ये हमने नहीं किया. No, whatever I am saying to you, you have to do that in the notebook. And extra practice exercises I'll be giving you, and you will be going to write them. No exercises will be done in the notebook. I'll give you a separate one for the notebooks, but you have to write the definitions with the examples. Now we'll come to the practice exercises.